Hello friends, today in this video I am going to explain place value and face value. So at first I would like to explain what is place value. Place value is nothing but it tells us the position or value of each digit in a number. You see that place value tells us the position or value of each digit in a number. Here, place represents what place represents? Place represents what kind? What kind? Whereas value represents how many. Let us see one example. For example, 258. I have written a 3-digit number 258. Let us see this 5. 5 represents what? 5 represents how many? Or 5 represents there are 5. That means how many. Whereas 5 is in 10th place. 5 is in 10th place. So what does it means? It represents what kind? So I can say that tens represents what kind? I have mentioned here place represents what kind. I have written here tens represents what kind because here 5 is in the 10th place. So it represents what kind? Whereas 5 itself represents 5 number. 5 represents there are 5. That means it represents how many? Let us see in detail. Now, in this 258, the digit 8 is in ones place. 5 is in tens place. 2 is in hundreds place. So, here I can say that 5 ones. That means, see here, 8 represents 8 ones. That means 8 into 1 is equal to 8, I can say. Here 5 is in tens place. That means 5 represents 5 tens. That is equal to 5 into 10 is equal to 50. Similarly, the 2 which is in the extreme left, here I started from extreme right. I have discussed about the digit 8 which is in ones place, the digit 5 which is in tens place, the digit 2 which is in hundreds place. So 5 tens means 5 into 10, that is equal to 50. Similarly, 2 is in hundreds place, So 2 hundreds, that means 2 into 100 is equal to 200. So the place value of 8 is 8. Place value of 5 is 50. The place value of 2 is 200. Now I can write that this 258, this is in ones place. This is in tens place. This is in hundreds place. So I can read it as 258. From the very beginning, I said that the place value tells us the position or value of each digit in a number. I have taken example of a 3-digit number 258, where I explained the position of 8 or value of 8, value of 5 and value of 2 in place value system. At the same time, I would like to say that place value and face value I have mentioned. What do you mean by face value? So I can say that face value is the number itself. See here. Face value is the digit itself. See it. Face value is the digit itself. For example, 792. 792 I have written. Okay. Here is the 9. What is its place value? Its place value is a 90 we studied, but its face value is the digit itself. Face value is 9. Suppose I have written one more 9 here. You see that its face value is 9. Its face value is also 9. Okay. That means the face value of any digit is the digit itself. Face value does not depend upon the place. Face value does not depend upon the place. One more example you see. For example, I have written 2015. Okay. 20,150 I have written. Here you see. What is its face value? Face value 0. What is its face value? Face value 0. That means the digit itself. So you remember the face value of 0 is always 0. The face value of 5 is always 5. The face value of 1 is always 1. But one more fact is there. Here, face value of 0 is 0. Here also face value of 0 is 0, because I said the digit itself is the face value. At the same time, its place value is also 0. Remember that the place value of 0 is 0. It may be any place. It may be ones place, hundreds place, thousands place, lakhs place. It does not matter. Okay. So 0's face value is 0. 0's place value also 0. So I can say that the place value of 0 at any place. This is the important point you have to note down. See here. The place value of 0 is 0 only. Okay, wherever it may be. And so far as the face value is concerned, I said that face value is the digit itself. Suppose 2, its face value is 2. Okay, but its place value will be different. It will be 20,000. Okay, so in my next video, I shall explain details regarding the place value chart both in Indian system and international system. Until then, bye.